In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get shipping on AliExpress 2025, step by step. First, open the AliExpress app or go to the website and log in. Head to the account section and find shipping address. Add your full and correct address, including apartment or unit details, and set it as your default. This step matters because AliExpress uses your default address to calculate accurate shipping fees and delivery options. Even a small typo can change available carriers or pricing, so double check everything before moving on. Next, search for the product you want using the search bar. To narrow results to options that deliver the way you prefer, apply filters. Free shipping is useful when you're watching your budget, but be aware it usually means slower delivery times and sometimes limited tracking. If you see a ships from filter, choose your country or a nearby region when available. That can drastically reduce delivery time since the item may ship from a local or regional warehouse rather than overseas. On the product page, scroll to the shipping area and open shipping options or delivery. Here you'll see the available shipping methods, the estimated delivery time, and the shipping fee. Remember, these are estimates. Handling time from the seller can add a day or two, and holidays or customs can impact timing. Look for whether tracking is included, which can be important for higher value items. Now choose the shipping method that fits your needs. In 2025, you'll commonly see a few tiers. For the cheapest, slower routes, you might see Kenya Super Economy or, depending on the listing, even AliExpress standard shipping presented as a low-cost option. These can run roughly 10 to 30 days and may have limited tracking on the economy tiers. For a balanced choice, AliExpress standard shipping is often recommended because it typically includes tracking and offers reliable delivery at a reasonable price. If speed is your priority, express couriers like DHL, FedEx, or UPS can deliver in about 3 to 7 days, but usually cost significantly more. Pick based on how quickly you need the item and how much visibility you want during transit. Finally, add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Review the shipping method, the shipping fee, and the estimated delivery date one more time. If something looks off, change the shipping option before you pay and confirm your default address is still correct. When everything looks good, place your order. If shipping costs jump at checkout, try revisiting the product's shipping options or consider a different seller. That's it. Set your address, search smart, compare shipping, and confirm at checkout for the best results.